All right. It looks like we're recording. So last week, I guess 2 days ago, I saw this video on LinkedIn of this guy, and I just met with him. He's a cool guy, Reese. He's a junior studying computer science in Wisconsin. He just built, and I'll show you right here. He built the dinosaur game that we've all seen before, and he is just jumping like it's the dino game, but instead of controlling it with the mouse and keyboard, he is controlling it with his hand. And I thought that would be a cool thing to build. So let's give it a shot. That's what we're going to be vibe coding in this vibe coding session today. So what I have here is I'll be building this in Codex using VS Code. But I always like to start a build like this by this will just normal non-extended thinking. By planning it out with an AI thought companion, because I'm not a game developer, I don't know much about it, but I do like playing fun little games like this, and I love building business tools that help businesses grow using AI vibe coding. But those are not as fun to show in a YouTube video or in a live stream. So let's see, I'll use my handy. I want to create a dino game that uses my webcam and my hand as the controller. I'd like to do this locally, but it be a web application using Python and using computer vision. Let's see what we come up with. It'll actually, let's see, I'm going to get rid of that. Let's see what we'll come up with. But, and I'll say, please help me prepare a vibe coding prompt. But first, let's go through what are the different approaches we can take to build this cool game. All right, let's see what it says. All right. A couple weeks ago, I built a tank game using similar methods, and it turned out really great. Maybe I'll show it while Codex is working. Okay, detects 21 hand landmarks. Let's see, media pipe hands. Okay, let's see. Runs in real time. I think I want to use OpenCV. Yeah, detects hand shape blob without landmarks. Let's see, runs in real time, well documented, best for precise gesture recognition. Okay, that might be good. Let's see. Easier, media, simpler. Let's try simpler. Only using OpenCV. All right. Python Flask web browser. Pure Python OpenCV window. Let's see. It's asking us to pick between the game architecture. Best of both worlds. No browser needed, simple stack. No, I think I do want it in the browser because I like hosting these games online after. Let's see, Pygame for game rendering. Still desktop app. Okay, so it looks like we need to go the Flask and Fast API route because we want it to be a web application that can be hosted on my website. All right, then which gesture style for controlling the dino? Let's see. I want pinch gesture. That's what we saw in Reese's video, and right, I think it makes the most sense. Just jump, 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 jump. All right. So here is your vibe coding prompt. I could read this and tweak it, but to be honest, from a video game building perspective, I don't know enough to know whether this is good or bad. I think it's just going to work out great. So let's use what they've got. All right, tips for the vibe coding session. Start with the prompt. Build this exactly as spect, one file at a time. Start with main.py. I will obey. I will tell it to do so. All right, let's go ahead and do it. I'll come over to VS Code. We have the dino_running game, and I will pull up an instance of Codex that we have over here. And let's see, for this beginning, maybe select reasoning. Let's go with high. Actually, I don't know. Leave it at medium. Let's see. This one says greater reasoning for complex problems. Building a video game might be a little bit complex, so we will copy this. I'll go back to Claude, and then I will copy it. Usually I'm working in the web application, so I can just download it. Let's just create a little bit of separation. Now we copy and pasted the entire build. Now, let's see how it goes. This is the third game that I vibe coded. I usually, again, vibe code business tools, for accountants or marketing folks. But I love building these little video games. So I'm actually going to pull up my website and go over some of the ones that we've built while this is baking. We'll go with Tank Wars. I don't think there's a hyphen in that. NeelanSolutions.com. All right, I'll create a room, and this will be Pat. That's my name, and we'll add another person, and we'll add Ryan. That's my middle name. So we'll create a room. These two people look good. Other people can join the room if they go to Tank Wars, NeelanSolutions.com. If anyone was watching this, we can play. So we'll start game. And now this is a purely vibe-coded website or web application that is the tank video game that I remember playing as a kid. And I can select which ammunition to use, and I can use... There's wind to account for. I didn't even specify that it should have wind. That was a neat little addition that it added. Let me go a little under on power. Maybe a little more on this angle. Let's see. A little short. That's the video game that I built. And then there is this trivia. .neelansolutions.com, and it is this really fun game. So we're just gonna call it Family Trivia Night. We'll just call it live stream video or live stream trivia game. And we'll just have it generate 5 questions, and it will create a room. And then on my phone, I can't show it really, but I'm going to scan this QR code. So I got my phone right here. We're going to scan the QR code, and then it'll take me straight to that room so I can join, and my name is going to be Pat. So I'll press join room, and boom, I'm on my phone, and it's going to go. Then my phone is going to look like this, if you can see it. I get to enter my interests. This is going to be an AI-generated application. So I'm going to type The Office, and I'm going to type in 2000s Dallas Mavs, right? That's my basketball team. We'll see how it goes. But those are my 2 interests. I will submit them. And then I'll go ahead and start the game. So what this is doing is it's taking all of the users' topics, all of the people who are playing the video game, or playing the trivia game, and it is generating questions, like trivia questions based on those topics, using web search and AI to do it. It's really simple. We didn't add any like cool visuals, but just another cool thing. Let's check on our build. Okay. Next to build. All right. Is it still going? We'll say build it. It built so we'll go to the Dino game, and here, boom, we have got the game. So in Python, this is the entire game. Now it's going to build a front-end web application for it, and we'll check back in just a minute. All right, the AI is still doing the web searches. We have a similar screen on my phone. It's still doing the same thing. Right there. All right. That means that it's done with the web search, and it's just generating plausibly wrong answers. It should be just about there. All right. According to fan calculations, what was the total amount Jim spent pranking Dwight throughout all seasons of The Office? That's a pretty fun question. And if I had to figure it out, I don't know what I would say. What? I don't know. 5,590? Boom! Pat with 194 points. All right. Poor Richard's Pub from The Office is a real bar located inside what type of business in Scranton? I'm almost positive this is a bowling alley. All right, let's see. I typed bowling alley. Didn't recognize my input. Well, maybe a bug that needs to be worked out. All right, the famous Dundies episode at Chili's was actually filmed at what former restaurant location? Let's call it a Sizzler. Ah, I got kicked
I
out.
must
I
have
must
had
have
bad
had bad
connection on my
connection on
phone.
my phone.
Let's
Let's
see. I
see.
can
I
get
can get
added back
added
to the
back to the
room.
room.
Ah,
Ah,
Black
Black
Angus
Angus
Steakhouse.
Steakhouse.
Okay.
Okay.
And let's
And let's
see.
see.
How
How
much
much
did
did
Mark
Mark
Cuban
Cuban
spend
spend
creating
creating
what
what
was
was
called the
called the
NBA's
NBA's
most
most
luxurious
luxurious
locker room?
locker room?
Most
Most
luxurious? That's
luxurious?
got to
That's
be
got to
like
be like
5.2 million,
5.2
right?
million, right?
3.5. 0
3.5. 0
points for
points for
Pat.
Pat.
How many
How many
points
points
were
were
the
the
Mavericks
Mavericks
leading
leading
by with
by with
6 minutes left
6 minutes
in
left
Game
in
Three
Game
of the
3 of the
2006
2006
Finals
Finals
before
before
their
their
collapse?
collapse?
That's got to
It's
be
got to be
dramatic. That's got
dramatic.
to be
It's got to be
16.
16.
Oh,
Oh,
13 still
13
pretty
still pretty
dramatic.
dramatic.
All right.
All
See
right. See
final
final
results.
results.
Boom.
Boom.
Pat
Pat
won with
won
zero
with 0
points
points
because he
because
got
he
kicked
got
out of the
kicked out of
waiting
the
room.
waiting room.
All right.
All
Let's
right.
check
Let's
on
check on
on our
our
live
live
builds.
builds.
All
All
right.
right.
And
And
I'm
I'm
just
just
gonna
gonna
say
say
run it.
run
It's
it. It's
saying it
saying it
can't run
can't
it,
run
but I'm
it,
gonna
but I'm
tell
gonna
it to
tell it
run
to run
anyway.
anyway.
So
So
usually I'm
usually I'm
building in
building in
Replit. We run
Replit. We
into
run
some
into some
issues
issues
when we're
when
doing
we're
local
doing local
development.
development.
But
But
even if you're
even
not
if you're
very
not very
technical,
technical,
you
you
can
can
just
just
tell
tell
it
it
to
to
keep
keep
going.
going.
I
I
could
could
have
have
gone
gone
through
through
my
my
Anaconda
Anaconda
and
and
set
set
up
up
a
a
proper
proper
environment
environment
for
for
my
my
LLM
LLM
to
to
exist
exist
in.
in,
But
but
this
this
is
is
just
just
a
a
quick
quick
and
and
dirty run
dirty
at
run
it.
at it.
All
All
right. So
right.
it's
So it's
asking, hey,
asking,
can I
hey, can I
execute this
execute this
code? And
code?
I'm going
And
to
I'm going to
say
say,
yes.
yes,
Don't ask
don't ask
again.
again.
All
All
right. It's
right. It's
basically
basically
initializing the
initializing the
game
game
on
on
port
port
8000 on my
8000 on my
local
local
machine. You see
machine. You see
the
the
local IP
local IP
address, the
address, the 127.0.0.0.1.
127.0.0.1. All
All
right.
right.
If you
If you
want, I
want,
can
I can
add a
add a
run.ps1
run.ps1
script to
script to
start up in
start
one
up in one
command.
command.
I will
And I will
say, well,
say,
it says
well, it
it's
says it's
currently running.
currently
Let me
running.
click
Let me click
the
the
Dino game.
Dino game.
All
All
right. It's
right. It's
not
not
running.
running.
Let's see
Let's
how
see
it
how it
does.
does.
What's
You know,
really
what's really
cool is
cool
I
is
click
I
on this
click on this
app
app
and I
and I
can
can
do
do
one
one
of
of
these
these
right
right
here.
here.
And I'll
And
just
I'll just
screenshot it and
screenshot
I
it
can
and I can
say,
say,
hey,
hey,
this is
this
part
is
of it.
part of it.
Send
Send
it
it
now
now
without
without
interrupting the
interrupting
work.
the work.
All
All
right.
right.
Now
Now it's
thinking with
thinking
that
with that
context in
context in
mind. That's a
mind.
cool
That's a cool
feature
feature
that's
that's
relatively
relatively
new with
new with
Codex, being
Codex,
able to
being able to
steer the
steer the
conversation.
conversation.
Claude Code
Claude
is
Code
also
is
great
also
at this
great at
sort of
this sort of
stuff, but
stuff,
I
but
have been
I have been
enjoying using
enjoying using
Codex
Codex
recently
recently
because
because
it
it
is
is
cheaper.
cheaper.
And I
And I
like
like
cheaper.
cheaper.
This is
This
only
is
my
only my
second live
second
stream
live
ever.
stream
I
ever. I
wonder
wonder
if
if
in
in
OBS
OBS
Studio
Studio I'm
I'm
actually able
actually
to
able to see.
see.
All
All
right.
right,
So
so
it
it
said
said
it
it
also
also
added
added
a
a
root
root
launcher.
launcher.
Sorry,
Sorry,
do
do
not
not
open
open
index
index
directly.
directly.
All
All
right.
right,
It
it
works.
works.
All right. Let's
All right,
see
let's
how
see
it
how
works
it
now.
works now.
Say,
Say,
okay,
okay,
run
run
it.
it.
All
All
right.
right,
We're
we're
going
gonna
to say
say
yes.
yes.
Bypass
Bypass
permissions when you want
permissions
to
when
run
you
that
want to
type
run
of
that type of
command.
command.
All
All
right.
right.
Yes.
Yes,
Don't ask
don't
again.
ask again.
So now
So now it's
if it
asking if
can
it can
download
download
the
the
Python
Python
packages.
packages.
So
So all of these right here,
can it
can it
install them?
install them?
Can it
Can it
install them?
install
And
them? And
I
I
said
said
yes.
yes.
So right
So
now
right
it's
now
going
it's going
through
through
python-m
python-m
pip
pip
install
install
dash
r,
r, which is the
which is the
requirements, right?
requirements,
So
right? So
dino underscore
dino_game
game
forward
/
slash
requirements.
requirements.
So if we
So
come
if we
over
come
to
over to our
our requirements,
requirements, it's just going to be this list
right
right
here,
here,
right?
right?
Or
Or
only the
only
ones
the
that aren't
ones that aren't
natively
natively
installed.
installed.
So with
So with
Python,
Python,
it
it
looks
looks
like
like
time is
time is
already
already
there,
there,
math
math
is
is
already
already
there,
there,
and it's
and
going
it's
to be
going to be
installing
installing
Fast
Fast
API,
API,
Uvicorn,
Uvicorn,
OpenCV,
OpenCV,
WebSockets, and
WebSockets, and
NumPy.
NumPy.
All
All
right,
right, it's
do you want
asking,
me
do
to
you want me
start
to
the
start
Dino
the
Game
Dino Game
server
server as a
background
background
process
process so it keeps
while we
running while we
continue?
continue?
Yes, I
Yes, I
do.
do.
Needed the
Needed the
terminal for
terminal
that.
for that.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Let's see. It looks like it's still not liking some of the code, my VS Code editor, but let's trust the process. Let's trust that it'll work. The server now starts enough to import your app, and it fails because dependencies are missing. CV2. Okay, we had it run the pip install. Excellent. Yes, access my camera. All right. It should be reading my camera right now, but it can't access it. Let's see. You want me to verify there is a listening process. So I wonder if it cannot access my webcam because it is currently being used by the live stream. Tough to say. All right. It said I also fixed the startup bug. All right, it's now successfully running. Let's see what we got here. All right. So we have a really sloppy. Let's see. I'm gonna go to Google Dino Game, and I want it to look more like this. Oh, so now I'm starting to see what Reese was doing. He was just building a controller for his Dino game. That would have been way more simple. I'm gonna ask it to make it look like this though, because we're building the entire game. All right. I'm gonna say it can't access my camera. Is that because it is being used by my live stream? And I'll also have it update the UI. But let's see if we can just get it to control it right now. And if all of this doesn't work, let's see. I could probably plug in my cell phone as a webcam, and maybe that'll work better. Let's see. Yes, very likely. Most window webcam drivers only allow one app. Okay. Let's say let me select which webcam. Perfect. Then I can use the virtual camera. I'll just start the virtual camera. Perfect. That should be better, actually. Let's see if we can run it again, or if it's giving me access now. Can't grab frame. Nope, still error. That's how these projects usually go, where I have zero knowledge of it. Takes a little bit of troubleshooting. If it could truly do it in one pass, I think I would be a lot more concerned about AI and what it's doing and what what am I going to be useful for in the future. So that's connecting to Pixel 7. Disconnect. Let's see. Let's go ahead and just close this one. Okay, let's see. Get API, okay. Run it. Go back down to medium. Can't grab frame. Okay. Can't grab frame. Let's see if it gives me the option to change. Let's see, what camera? I don't have that many cameras. Okay. Oh, is that a maybe? Ooh, zero's active. Nope, still not popping up. Let me refresh the app. Let me go to 1. Connecting to Google Pixel 7. No, I don't care about that. I want it to work on my webcam. Come on. Come on. Whoa, there we go. So, let's see. Okay. Okay, now we have a camera right there.
All
All
right.
right. Now we got a camera.
Let's see.
see.
It's
doing poorly.
It's
It's doing really poorly.
So,
okay, the pinch identification is very bad.
Let's see how
Let's see how it does.
That's
That's exciting. We're making some progress.
And
if this doesn't work, then what we're going to do is just build a really simple Python application like what Reese did that only reads my hand and doesn't also generate an entire video game from scratch. So we'll see if it can do that. But we do need the whole video game if I'm going to host this on my website. We also need, let's see, I want to say, and I am going to plug in my cell phone as the, let's see, I'll set up a little tripod over here. And we'll see if I can make this a whole lot better. Because I think it will. Right, we'll plug in my cell phone. That'll be used as a webcam. It's a cool feature of... I'm sure Apple's been able to do it for a long time. I don't know if you can use your phone as a webcam if you're on a Mac device, but you can on an Android, at least a newer Android. Doesn't have to be that new. I think this is a Pixel 7. All right, it's plugged in. It's being used as a webcam. Perfecto. I'm gonna keep it on this side. Okay. Slide that into this little tripod. Okay. Now it should be running. They say that they've fixed a bunch of stuff. My camera is going to be much better now. Okay, we're going to go with camera 2. This one's got to be better. Connecting to Pixel 7. Disconnect. Let's go 3. Nope, that one's bad. Let's go 4. No, let's go 5. It's got to be 0, right? Let's get 0. Hey, there we go. 1. Okay. I don't know why it's capturing all this stuff in the back. Hey, I got it to move once. That's pretty bad.
Gotta
go early.
Ah!
Man, I might need to reach out to Reese. Let's see if we can make this a little bigger. It doesn't look bad.
Let's see.
Let's see.
All
All right.
It
It
is
is
detecting
detecting
so
so much
more
more than
just
just my
hand.
hand.
What
What
gives?
gives? And
We'll
then we'll have it do that.
I think the
I think
next
the
step
next
is
step
going to
is
be
going to
I want
be
to be
I
able
want
to
to be able to
select the
select the
webcam
webcam
from
from
the
the
like
normal
browser
browser
permission
permission
window
window where it says,
hey,
"Hey,
this app
this
wants
app
to
wants
use
to use
your
your
webcam.
webcam.
Select which
Select which
webcam you want
webcam
to
you want to
use.
use."
So
So
after
after
it
it
fixes
fixes
this
this
bug,
bug,
I
I
want
want
to
to
select
select
it
it
that
that
way
way
instead
instead
of
of
having
having
my
my
local
local
webcam
webcam
index
index
to
to
choose
choose
from.
from.
I don't think
I
that
don't think that
that's
that's
very
very
user
user
friendly.
friendly.
So
So
let's
let's
make
make
it
it
more
more
user
user
friendly
friendly
so that it
so
can
that
go
it
on
can
the
go on the
website.
website.
Default
Default
permissions.
permissions.
We
We
want
want
to
to
get
get
full
full
access.
access.
I don't
I
want to
don't
be
want to be
clicking
clicking
yes,
yes,
do
do
this,
this,
do
do
that.
that.
Let's
Let's
see.
see. All right. If you want the box on the left or a different size, I can tune these constraints. Oh, okay.
In your
In your
screenshot,
screenshot, your face, arm, scene were
all
all
valid
valid
mask
mask
regions.
regions, so the counter solver
Grabbed
grabbed the huge blob. I patched it
to
to constrain detection to
hand
hand only ROI box. Well, okay. Let's see how it does now. Let's try again.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's
Let's
see.
see.
It's
still not good enough. Let's see. We'll go back to our conversation and say, let's see. What options do we have? Pure Python, that's the game architecture. Let's go with media pipe hands. Will I need to log into something? To use it? Let's see.
Again,
Again, anyone can do this. This is something that is accessible to everyone.
To
To have a chat bot, help you plan a game, and then send it off to a vibe coding tool to build the game. It's available for everyone. All right, no login required. All right, swap prompt. Now, I'm sure I could go in and do it really well, but I'm going to tell it to do this. All right. Still not good enough. Let's just change it. Let's go high for thinking. We'll go ahead and let it run. And now it has full access, so it shouldn't intervene quite as much. It shouldn't ask for our permission as much, is what I'm saying.
I
guess I can stop that virtual camera. It wasn't really successful anyway. Okay. We're still doing great with the live stream, though. It still seems to be going. Ooh, deleted the entire application. Well, okay. Deleted the entire file. That's good to know. and it's just rewriting it. Okay, very interesting.
So if I
So if
come
I
over
come over
here,
here,
okay,
okay,
excellent.
excellent.
We're
We're
swapping the
swapping the
architecture.
architecture.
We're
We're using media pipe.
I've
I've
noticed. So
noticed.
I,
So
I
I
host
host
games
games
like
like
this
this
on
on
Railway,
Railway,
and then
and
just
then
add a
just add a
subdomain
subdomain
to
to
my
my
website
website
provider,
provider
and
and
host it
host it
there.
there. And I've noticed that when
I
I
vibe
vibe
code
code
locally, like
locally, like
using
using
VS
VS
Code
Code
and
and
a
a
particular
particular
vibe
vibe
coding
coding
model
model
like
like
Claude
Claude
Code or
Code or
Codex,
Codex,
it's
it's
a
a
lot
lot
easier to
easier to
deploy on
deploy on
Railway.
Railway.
For
For
some
some
reason, I
reason, I
struggle
struggle
to
to
deploy
deploy
things when
things
I'm
when I'm
like
like
building
building
in
in
Replit,
Replit,
for
for
example.
example.
I'm sure
I'm
that's
sure
just
that's just
some
some
minor
minor
detail
detail
that
that I didn't bother
fixing
fixing
or
or
figuring
figuring
out
out
the
the
first
first
time
time
I
I
tried
tried
to
to
deploy
deploy
with
with
Replit,
Replit,
and
and
now
now
that
that
I
I
know
know
how
how
to
to
do
do
it
it
with.
with.
With
Local
local deployments,
deployments,
I'm
I'm
sure
sure
it'd
it'd
be
be
much
much
easier
easier
to
to
do
do
it
it
in
in
Replit,
Replit,
but
but
maybe
maybe
we'll
we'll
try
try
that
that
next
next
time.
time.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see if I
Let's
can
see if I
add a
can add a
media
media
capture
capture
device.
device. Let's
Let's see.
see,
Add
add
source.
source,
Video
add video
capture.
capture.
Let's
Let's
go
go
with
with
Pixel
Pixel
camera.
camera.
So
So we can change views,
create new,
create new,
use
use
device.
device. Let's go Android webcam.
Excellent.
Excellent.
This is
This
just
is just
another
another
photo.
photo.
I'm gonna
I'm
go
gonna
ahead
go
and
ahead and
flip this
flip this
around
around so that it looks
nicer.
nicer.
All
All
right.
right.
Much better.
Much better.
I'll
I'll say
okay.
okay.
We'll
We'll just
put
put this right
here.
here.
Nah,
Nah,
that's
that's way too big.
I
I
feel
feel
like
like when things are a little bit more boring with the vibe coding, it'd be nice to
be
be able to see me a little bit more. So this is the bigger me. Let's go ahead and pop that in right here. So as we can see right down here, it's still just thinking, it's still just working on it. And what we can do while we're waiting is play the actual Dino game. Oops, that's dinosaur.io. That doesn't seem right. Chrome Dino. This is it. This is the actual one. There's no way. No. Everyone has made this app. I want the Google Dino game. The one that is not completely overrun with advertisements. And as I say that, there's still an advertisement. All right. Jump. Surely this doesn't take up my whole screen. Let me go ahead and... Oh my goodness. It's running my own app. Let's see how it goes. Whew. All right, let's check out our progress. Okay, it says that it's running. Now let's see how it goes. So this is with a completely new architecture. Let's see. Well, actually, let me stop using the pixel camera. We'll pop up this camera again. And let's see how it goes. What were we on? Apply? No, let's go 2. I want to change it to... Let's go rework the camera selection so that Google Chrome asks me for permission and I can select the webcam by name instead of local index. All right, let's see how it does.
While
While we wait,
we
we can get back to the regular game.
The
The one that
is
is really great.
Oh
Oh my gosh, high scores of the day, 9,967. Let's see if I can get past like 400. Does it get harder or does it stay the same? Is this going faster than it was at the beginning? Oh, goodness. I'd hate for somebody to come into the live stream right now and think that I'm just live streaming me playing this game. I am new to the live streaming game, but that sounds pretty pretty rude. Whoa, there's flying dinosaurs now. Okay. Okay. Perfect. I think ultimately I want to have different business owners on here each week where they have a problem that they want to solve, and we vibe code custom software or an automation or a data app to fix their problem for them. I see if I just barely press it, I don't jump as high. So that's good to know. So if you're a business owner and you see this, shoot me an email. I think I'm going to start pushing ads to a forum, just having people submit their ideas for the live stream builds. Okay, let's see how our build is doing. Okay, it's going through. And it's changing everything. I said I'm now adding 2 backend APIs, one to sync browser-reported webcam names, and the one to select the label. I don't think it's getting what I'm saying. But I think all of you do know, like, when you're in Google Chrome and it just asks, like, hey, this website wants access to your webcam. Do you want to give it access? So this is not showing. That's weird. Let's go ahead and remove this from here and just click apply. Oh, interesting. It's my OBS webcam. Start virtual webcam. Hey. I mean, I guess they're both coming from the same spot. Apply. Let's see. I don't know what this garbage is, but let's get rid of it. Let's see how the app is doing. Okay, it's still working on that last iteration. Okay, let's get rid of that instance. Let's try again, 1100. That's pretty good, right? Oops. That seems like yeah, I should have jumped over both of those things at the same time. Right there. I am getting worse. Sounds like my kids are at the office door. So I apologize if they are screaming a little bit. Also, I'll turn down my audio. I'm sure it would be annoying. You might hear an echo. Hey guys, please go away. I am live recording something right now. You guys cannot come in right now, okay? You shouldn't have slid the door. The card's underneath. All right, let's see. So let's refresh the page. All right. So now it is asking. It wants to allow visiting the site. We have camera in use, and we're going to select which webcam, and we're going to use the Android webcam. Perfect. Okay. It's been allowed, so now let me refresh. This is Android webcam. Okay. All right. Now let's run this again. Okay, it's still not working. Huh. This is a more complex problem than I expected. All right. I think that we should start this over from scratch, maybe. That's something that I do often with video games. With small builds. All right, let's take it back. All right. Create a new fresh build prompt with the new method. I don't want to select the webcam by local index. I just want Google or the browser to request permission to use a webcam, and then I get to select which webcam from the normal drop down in the browser. I also want it to look actually like the Google Dinosaur game for the graphics. I will add a screenshot. And we'll do something fun. Let's see. Please go ahead and upload the screenshot. Okay, let's do that. All right. Let's see. This is the game. So we'll add this picture. We'll add the whole one. We'll paste that in there. And then we'll go in and we'll take a screenshot of like just the dino. And that's what we want. Maybe I'll get really big. There we go. That's the picture of the dino. Actually, we can add that in there. Perfect. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to pop this into an instance of Codex. And then I'm also going to pop this into an instance on Replit and see how it goes. Okay. I bet in Replit, if I just gave it less information, it would work better. But let's see. Product architecture. Now I'm going to say, now prepare another prompt that is a little bit less descriptive on everything for Replit to take it and do it its own way. Oh, okay. Want me to just go ahead and build it right now? I mean, Claude Code could build it right now. Actually, I think I will have it do that. I'll go over to Claude Code. The chat's going to keep working. Let's see. We're going to go to choose a different folder. And we'll go to my repos and we'll create oops, that didn't work. Let's create a new folder called Claude Code Dino. All right. We're going to do that, and that's going to be the folder. And then we're going to do this, and then we're going to say auto accept edits. Let's see. We're actually going to go enable Claude Code in Claude Code settings. So let's come over here. Where are my Claude Code settings? Let's see. Customize. Let's see. It'll be down here. Let's go to settings. We'll go with capabilities. Let's see. Claude Code. Allow bypass permissions mode. Yes. Okay. Draw attention on notifications. Yes, please. Okay. Now I'll go back to out of here. Now we're just gonna go for it. Okay. Perfect. We're gonna trust this workspace. Okay. And while it was at it, it should have created a more. Let's see. All right. Now we're gonna come back. We're gonna go to Replit now and build something that should just be a little bit more user-friendly, or shouldn't require so much attention. So we're going to build. We're going to go here. We're going to go with a 3D game. Nah, let's just go web application. Okay. Perfect. It's gonna get going. We are gonna have a workable version of
this by
this
the end
by
of
the end of
this.
this.
I
I
assure you.
assure you.
Okay,
Okay,
let's take
let's take
the new
the new
approach.
approach.
Let's
Let's
go
go
into
into um
let's
let's
go
go close folder and
create
we'll
another
create
one.
another one.
New
New
folder.
folder.
We'll create a
We'll create a
folder.
folder. We'll go back to that repos folder. Some documents.
Okay.
Okay.
We will
We will
create
create a new one, and this one is going to be called Dino running, and then we're going to call this Codex.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Now we're going to copy and paste that in there. Into the Codex. And we're just going to go for it.
Okay, so
now we have Replit, Claude Code, and Codex working on this all at once. I think, didn't I say bypass all permissions? No, bypass permissions. Enable for this session. High risk. Claude can take actions without executing. So this is a pretty safe environment to do this. I believe. I could be wrong. So if you're a computer science engineer or something like that, then let me know. But I'm just working in this this one folder. It may, I mean, I guess if it steps outside of this folder, it could create some issues. But as long as it's working in this folder and creates this Dino game, then we should be good. Just like last time. Let's see. Should we be able to see if we can view? We can just pull up the files. So we'll go to document. We'll go repos. We'll go Claude Code Dino. It created the Dino game. Okay, there we go. Now we can see it all. Okay. Let's go ahead and check in on Codex. Okay, I've confirmed the repo is empty. Perfect. It's starting to build. Now let's go to our game. Okay, good. Python and packages are installed. Main.py. This is what's really cool about Replit is it just handles everything and it just works really well. Let's try this out. So yeah, super user friendly. I've built many apps. I'm actually building a web app for a client right now in Replit, where he can speed up his marketing operations. He used to do a lot of copying and pasting and a lot of editing of LinkedIn posts, and so this just speeds up that entire workflow by using AI to generate better first drafts, and by having like a centralized place where he can generate and edit a bunch of drafts at once, and then automatically just click a button and send all of them as drafts to his social media planner so that his clients and his team can approve them and send them off to actually be scheduled. Okay, so this is our V1. It was very bad. Let's see if we can do better. It's very bad. Let's see. Let's get back down to 100%. Yeah. Let's see. Hopefully, we can go back to LinkedIn and just reference what he's supposed to be doing. I wonder if I could have just built it referencing his video. Maybe that would have worked the best. Now for the big one, the full game front end in a single HTML file. Okay, should be working right now. Get out of that warning. So I could just say, how's it going? Okay. No, it's working hard right now. I probably shouldn't have said that. Okay. Run it. Do everything you need to do to run it. Perfect. All right. I like this. It already looks a lot better. It looks like the actual game. But now pinch thumb and index finger to jump. Release mid-air for short hop, and then pinch to restart on game over. So the prompt might have been a lot better, but I think a lot of times if you're not experienced, having your first pass be like a lot more generic, like I don't even know what I want. Let's just run this.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
I'm
starting to
starting to
test it.
test it. And
This
this
is
is
another
another
cool part
cool
about
part
actual
about
vibe
actual
coding
vibe coding
tools,
tools,
where you're
where
less of
you're
a
less of a
developer and just
developer and
want
just
to
want
build
to build
something.
something.
Um,
Um,
I'm not sure
I'm
how
not
much
sure
this
how much
actually
this
looks like
actually
a
looks like a
dinosaur. This
dinosaur.
looks
This
more
looks
like
more like
a,
a,
I don't
I
know,
don't
a
know,
little
a little
chick.
chick.
How can we
How
look
can we look
at
at
that?
that?
We'll go
We'll
to
go to
screenshots.
screenshots.
Let's just see
Let's
our
just see our
last one.
last one.
Oh,
Let's
let's
just
just go
go
to
to
my
my
photos.
photos.
Pull
I'll
it up
pull it
right
up right
now.
now.
Go
Go
pictures. We'll go
pictures. We'll go
screenshots.
screenshots.
Yeah,
Yeah, if we're comparing these side by side,
I
I
mean,
mean,
we got
we
little
got little
chicken, and then we
chicken, and then we
got
got
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Like a
Like a
little
little
beak
beak
chick, right?
chick, right? That's what we're looking at here.
That could
That could
still
still
be
be
pretty
pretty
fun
fun
and
and
pretty
pretty cute.
cute. Okay,
Okay,
it's
Replic's very confident
saying
saying that it tested it. It's passed all tests. We'll see about that. I'll pass. Now let me run the code review. Okay, it's going to be reviewing the code.
Let me
Let me
run
run the testing skill to validate the app. It sounds like Replit has its own skills, kind of like Quad Code does.
It's
That's
beginning to be the
architecture of AI SOP. So an SOP is a standard operating procedure, and that a human would follow. And when it is a standard operating procedure that an AI agent or just an LLM is going to follow, for some reason we have started to call it skills. So, right, let's see what we've got here. Okay, architecture, fast, the game works, controls, the keyboard controls work right away. For gesture control, click the webcam area to grant permission. Okay, let's give that a shot. Sure, we can publish it now. Okay, that's a hard game. These things are too close together.
Let's go back to the
preview. Okay.
Oof.
Oof.
This
This
game
game is so much harder.
All
right, I'd like to see the high score on this game. I'll make it available to everybody after this. Yikes. This seems impossible. Okay, 17 is...
I was
I was close to beating my record.
All
All right, let's see.
All
All right, let's see if we can get past that 19. Ooh, so close.
See if
I can get over the first two in one.
Oh,
Oh, that had to have been more than 19. Are you kidding? Okay. Hey, 21.
All
right, but the question is, can we run this? All right, let's see. Yeah, spin it up. All right, I put Codex in high thinking mode, so maybe it's going to take quite a bit longer. Let's see how much it costs. So it costs $2.46 to build this V1 in Replit, and let's see, it's bundling the code right now. It'll soon be a playable web application. Like, no joke, this is so much easier. Let's see what we got. I'm still adamant. By the end of this live stream, we're going to have a fully functioning game that... I can't say that it's going to rival this on playability. This is a very good game. It just works really well. And maybe we'll redo this. But I mean, the way that I've been doing it lately is I'll live build something with someone, and then I'll spend a couple hours later refining it and making it exactly how I want it to be before publishing it on my website. But oop, we're getting close. See it being published on Replit. Let's go ahead and check in on VS Code. All right. Use it here. Looks like it's running. Okay. Let me give it a shot. All right. It looks like it's using a lot of the same stuff, so I wonder if it's working off of the same context that I was giving it before. I don't like that. Let's see. This should just be working. Let's unlock my phone. Okay.
Use
Use as a
webcam.
webcam. Okay.
Yeah,
this Windows virtual
camera.
camera. I don't know what this app is. I've never seen it before today, but
it's
it's not good. Let's go.
Allow
Allow
while
while visiting the site.
and
And then camera in use. Let's go with the camera in use. Let's make sure we select the right one. Android webcam. That's what we want to use. Okay. Ooh, this is much better. Like, well, first of all, it looks much better. It's much more possible. Like, it's similar difficulty to the first game that I was playing. So I like that. Now we just need the gestures to work. I have a feeling that Replit is going to make that quite a bit easier. Let's see. Reset permission. Perfect. Okay. So now let me turn this around. Okay. Perfect. Hey, there we go. A little harder to control. All right. Let's try. Start over.
Hey,
here we are. Look at that. Fantastic.
It's
playable.
It's
getting progressively harder.
Ooh,
we do long and short jumps. Which one was this built by? This one was Codex. Hey,
we just had
to give it better instructions and get the right webcam up. This is like
my
my Pixel 7 that's being used. Freaking, what is this? I don't. Microsoft.
Wow,
really good job, Codex.
Okay.
Maybe it would be fun to post the different versions together. It might not be fair to compare them one to one. All right. Page not found. That did not go well for Replit on a first pass. Again, it was given the least amount of instructions. But let's go ahead and just copy and paste our error into the chat of the agent. That one did only cost $2.50 to make. Pretty cheap for a fully functional video game. Obviously, that one's going to need to spend a little bit more. Okay, now let's see. Get everything is working. All right, so it's running on 8080. Let's go ahead and run it. Open the link. Yes. While visiting the site. These dinos are so bad. That one looks a little bit more like a dog. But okay.
I think I'm
gonna have to rebuild the cacti. I don't know if I know I've played video games before, right? That are viewing my vision. If we've ever played like Just Dance. And so this is a similar thing, right? The dance is just looking at different body parts, but to be able to build this in just a couple minutes, how exciting!
This
would be good for when I am missing my my kids like to play with their keyboard and the mouse, so they'll just take them out of the office. What if I want to play a video game? This is perfect.
So this is
Claude. Now let's compare it to Replit. Okay, that's yeah. All right.
Let's
republish it and see what it does.
I mean,
I've always been really pleased. So, okay, it worked for 27 seconds, trying to fix that bug. It was another 55 cents. I should probably give the total cost breakdown after I got the prompt worked out. And then let me go over to Nano Banana and just see how I could do. Let's go. AI Studio prompts new chat. Okay. Let's see. My webcam's in the way. We'll grab an API key, and we're gonna call it. What do you say? Generate pixel art for a dino running game. I would like a dinosaur, and I would like different shaped cacti of slightly different sizes. Put them in a grid format so that I can pass them on as a single image.
Let's
See how this does.
We're using
Imagine 4. That's Google's. And I'll go ahead and copy this so that we can try it out with some different models if this doesn't work. But did I? Oh no.
There we go.
There we go. Run control.
I should
have pressed control enter, not just enter. Just got rid of everything.
Okay,
we'll come back to that in a second. Let's see the Dino game is published. Okay, let's go to the app. Hey, okay, that was the one that we liked. Okay.
All right.
It says pinch to restart, release mid-air. Okay.
So
this is the crazy hard one. Let's see. I am not able to use my camera. Google never. Let's see. Browser never asked for webcam permissions. Okay.
We're gonna give it
another shot. This one. Right. That one's the Dino game. So this is Replit. This is. Oof. One thing that I'm surprised by is it's not. So someone who's not very good at design. I'm disappointed that AI is not better at changing my builds when I say something like, "Hey, make it look better." And I don't know. It just maybe it's because of the initial prompt. It builds a certain really generic style, and it's really bad at just changing that style with such little direction. I've seen some cool builds online where you basically give it a website as an example, and it does a pretty good job. There we go. I'm gonna send this over to Reese right now and see what he thinks. Let's see. Okay. Now let's go ahead and republish.
All right, let's just
see how it does. If we get this live, then that would be great. I could take this one because it's. I mean, it's working. Let's see if we can just deploy it in Railway.
This is
fantastic and very fun. And the cacti look stupid. Maybe we'll go back to AI Studio. Google AI Studio and see what Imagine came up with to see if we can really just like one shot change all the graphics with new AI generated ones, because that would be pretty slick. All right, let's check it out. I mean, okay. Yeah. Let's download that. I should worry more about version control. I like this one the most. Okay. Let's update the look of everything. Here are the new cacti and dino. Okay. So this one works well. Dino Runner works well. So this is the Claude code. This is Codex. And then this is Replit. So I'm gonna ask
both
both
Claude
Claude
Code
Code
and
and
VS
VS
Code.
Code.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh crap.
Oh crap.
I need to add the
actual picture.
So
Let's add a file.
All
All
right.
right.
Sorry.
Here is the
graphics.
graphics.
All
All right. So that probably messed it up just a little bit. We're gonna say please update the graphics with these. Now, would it perform better if I went in and actually split all of this out? Probably.
Is it
fun to test it with
harder stuff?
yeah.
Yeah.
So now it's gonna take a look at this JPEG.
We're
still working on
this
one working at all.
So
let's try it again.
Okay.
Okay, we're up to like $3 or $4 now. That's getting pretty crazy. Let's see how it's doing. We'll open up a new instance 3 minutes ago. Hey, new higher score. 25. Interesting. It's just not connecting. Huh.
So Replit
got me going with something that looks decent, a little bit faster. Maybe I gave it too general of a direction. But
let's see.
Do we like
the
image where it can actually show my photo up at the top? Because that was I think a cool feature from Codex, so that you could actually see what was going on. I think that's pretty cool.
Let's see how we're doing with updating the graphics.
All right. We're thinking a lot. All right. We're sussing. One of my clients just love, and I love it too, but we were talking about it. All of the different words that Claude Code uses to
indicate
it's working on something.
They're
generally pretty entertaining. Simmering. It'll probably say sautéing next, or maybe cerebrating. I don't even know. I mean, I know that some of their words are definitely made up, like flipperturgiding. Did I say that right? Concocting. I know that that's a real word. But I'm not smart enough to know that all of them are real words. Some of them have to be made up, right? Wriggle. Getting a wriggle on. Oh,
That
seems like it would be a real word, right? Like the way that it's spelled. Twist and turn with quick writhing moments. I mean. Okay. Let's go to preview.
All right.
We're not even okay. Allow all visiting the site. Okay.
Well, so this game
is just like impossible. So
I'm just gonna
say the game is too hard. Space out the cactus more.
And then
let's see. Has anyone been able to incorporate
my stuff yet?
My images? Okay.
It's working.
On it. Let's see what Claude has done.
Forging.
Okay, it may be too hard. I don't know. I'm excited to see.
And
not that it's too hard. I think it could do a really good job if I gave clearer instructions. But I said please update the graphics with these, and then I just added one picture with all of the graphics. So is it gonna rework it to where the rest of it's not like black and white? I don't know.
But this is
pretty darn cool.
Let's try again.
This one is my favorite for gameplay. So this is Codex.
The game is
the most fun and I
really
really
like
like
the
the
information at the
information at
top
the
where
top
it
where it
says
says
where it has
where it
my
has
image
my
for my
image for my
webcam,
webcam,
so I can
so I can
see
see
what it's
what it's
analyzing. I can see that
analyzing. I
it's
can see
picking
that
out
it's picking out
my index
my
finger
index
and my
finger
thumb.
and my thumb.
It's
It's
very good.
very good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
And I
And
really
I
like
really like
if
how
I do a
well
really
if I do a really
small one,
small
if I do it
one, if I do it
fast,
fast,
it jumps
it jumps
smaller. But if I
smaller. But
jump,
if
if I hold it
I hold
down,
it down,
I can jump
I
really
can jump
small
really
if I go
small if I
really
go
small
really
with it.
small
And
with
so
it.
it's
And
the
so it's the
best at
best at
responding
responding to that.
to that. All
All
right. Yeah,
right. Yeah,
exactly.
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 I know it
I
seems
know it
silly,
seems
but really
silly,
this
but
is
really
no
this is
different
no
than building
different than building
software for a
software for a
company
company
or
or
to
to
automate
automate
your
your
house.
house.
If there's something
If
that
there's
you want
something
to
that you want to
accomplish,
accomplish, all you have to do is
it,
think about it,
right? And
right?
as you
And
saw,
as you saw,
it can't be
it
done
can't be
without
done
an
without an
idea.
idea.
I had to
I
come
had
up
to
with
come
an
up with an
idea
idea
and
and
ask
ask
Claude the best way
Claude
to
the
do
best
it.
way to do it.
And
And
I read the
I read the
options, and
options and
it wasn't
it
good
wasn't good
enough
enough
because I
because
wasn't good
I
enough
wasn't
at
good enough
selecting
at
the right
selecting the right
options. And I wanted
options.
to
And I
say,
wanted to say,
I think this
I
is
think
supposed to
this
be
is
really
supposed to be
easy and
really
should only
easy and
take
should
five
only take
seconds.
five
So let me
seconds.
just
So
go
let
with
me
the
just go with the
easiest
easiest
options.
options.
But
But it turns out
computers
computers
are
are
pretty
pretty
good
good
at
at computer vision when you know how to configure them,
which
which I
I've only done a
I've only
couple of
done a couple
times
of
for a
times
couple of
for a couple of
class
class
assignments.
assignments.
Um, but man,
But
this one is
man, this one is
slick.
slick.
It's very
It's
slick.
very slick.
Okay, let's
Okay, let's
see.
see.
I want to
I want to
restart
restart
it.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to
I
restart
want to
this one.
restart this one.
Ooh.
Ooh.
This is.
This is.
I think
I
this
think
is
this is
worse.
worse.
Am I
Am I
mistaken?
mistaken?
Download the
Download
sprite
the
sheet.
sprite sheet.
The PNG.
The PNG.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
did it
did
just
it
go in and
just go in and
actually
actually
create
create
a
a
sprite sheet?
sprite sheet?
I wanted it to
I wanted it to
use my
use
sprite
my
sheet.
sprite sheet.
Um,
Um,
let's see.
let's see.
Which one?
Which one is this?
This is
This is the
okay.
okay. Can you change to this exact sprite sheet?
Now,
Now, I don't know enough about sprite sheets
to
to
know
know
what I'm doing
is
is correct.
correct. So this is a PNG. These
These
are the images I wanted to use.
Let's see if
Let's see if it does it.
I
I would imagine
like
I'd like it to.
I
I can add it actually.
Let's go.
Let's go. Like
So I'm just
asking it like tell me where to upload the file. Yeah, well, I have it steer.
So
I'll go ahead and put it up there.
And
yeah, maybe I'll just go downloads. We'll call this rename updated sprite sheet. And we'll copy it over here. Okay.
I like that.
I like that a lot.
That's
pretty cool. Okay. We'll try this again in a minute. See if it updates. That looks like a backward Yoshi face. That's it doesn't look quite right. Okay. Let's come back over here.
Oh,
okay. Yeah, okay. No, this one was still working. I told it to space him out. No. Okay, let's see. I'll tell it to restart the app. Because if something doesn't translate.
Ooh,
hey! Claude didn't require a lot of instructions.
I
bet it made its own sprite sheet. Oof. With this update, everything feels a little bit clunkier.
So the
updated sprite sheet was the best. Well, let's see.
It's still not bad.
It's a little bit laggy.
So this is
one of the cleanest ones.
And this is
not a scientific comparison. I have made some.
There isn't a constant treatment of prompting and guidance, which is
hard to do
because
because they all kind of require their own different kind of guidance. Codex may be really good at one function and not as good at another.
Man,
Man,
that is
that
so
is so
cool.
cool. Okay.
Let's reload it.
Let's reload it.
All right.
I gave it the updated one. All right, the app is restarted. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, much better.
Much better.
Nice.
Okay, there we go.
I'm gonna see
if on the website
I can.
All right, I'm gonna give it another file. Okay.
It
It is building out an
entire.
entire.
Gosh, it's a
Gosh,
big
it's a big one. It's a much bigger application.
This one.
This one.
The
The
sprite
sprite
sheet
sheet was bad. Let me see.
We still
haven't fixed it yet.
Okay,
It's still working. Let's go to
assets.
assets.
I don't
have an assets folder.
Oh,
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Okay.
We'll
go copy relative path and just have it do that.
So
I'm saying so it just like made the sprites in code. Like that's supposed to be a cactus. Isn't that so impressive? So hopefully now
I mean that's really
darn
cool.
cool.
Like
This is supposed to be
Dino
jump, Dino dead, Dino run V. Like that's
fantastic,
right? So like this is its foot and it looks different when it's running.
That's
so cool.
But
it doesn't look good.
But
it made that sprite. Can you believe that? And it's saying what color it should be.
Let's
use the hand control that we worked so hard to implement.
All right.
That's awesome.
Okay. So
let's see. I gave it to Claude.
It looks much
better.
Okay,
It's gonna be on localhost.
Yeah,
okay, so it's working. All right.
Let's give it a shot.
It has my camera up at the top. I didn't see that because my phone is covering it. But okay.
All right,
I can see it.
All right.
This one is clunkiest, but the Dino looks the best. I wonder how it went about making it. We can take a look over. We can take a look at it. So we have documents. We'll go back to repo. We'll go to this is the Claude Code Dino. Okay. So I wonder if it took the same approach. We'll open up. Okay, so that's just code.
And now,
I mean, I hope I didn't blow it. It was really good. I really hope that it uses the updated sprite sheet. I found updated sprite sheet. I'll move it to assets. So the assets / sprite, is that a hidden folder? It might be. Okay. We'll go to back to our file explorer. I want to open up the index. What did it do? No, let's open it in VS Code. Game engine. So it it's really good. It drew it in HTML, which is so unnecessary because I gave it the actual file. But wow. I should give it also the updated. Let's see. Let's just copy that and say. Okay, so that's the Dino game. Let's make sure it has the right reference. Okay. Cloud code, Dino running game, Dino game. Okay, it's there. We'll copy the relative path. Copy as path. For the sprites, please reference this.
It
looks good. Like it just.
I mean,
that dino's pretty cute. I wonder if it's cuter than the one that I did.
I don't know.
Like Google Imagine did a
really
really good job with these.
It
It still needs to generate
an
an additional sprite.
Now that
I see it's not running with the sprite, like there isn't a running. So I'll say I want 3 of the dinosaur. Let's see. 2 for running and 1 for dead. Then 3 cactus. All right, let's see what it does. Wish I knew more about video game development. This would be going a lot better. But the fun part is that I don't have to. All right. We're doing okay here.
I guess I'm starting to see the dino more.
But it looks like the back of Luigi's, like a Luigi's head. Maybe it's just the color of green that's getting me. All right, let's see. Attached assets. No, it's just the copied and pasted stuff. It's a client. Let's add client. Let's upload the file. No, because let's see. And I want to say make sure the 2 running images have different legs forward. This is getting out of hand. All right. Let me open up a new chat. Still use Imagine. Let's use Imagine Ultra. And then let's see how it does. This one's pretty fun. There we go. I think we're gonna have after 2-hour live stream, we're gonna have 3 working video games that we could host right now. My wife would probably say that this one is the cutest. Because it is pretty cute. It's a little clunky on the gameplay. The Codex one still takes the win for the smoothness in playing. So this is the updated sprite sheet. I mean that's not bad. We may have to call it here. Like the legs there, like that's really good of the leg movement. I don't mind that. Let's update it though. I did ask it to do something different. Okay, I think it's still running. All right, let's bring this over just a little bit. It's still running. What is Codex up to? Okay, let's refresh that. Okay, I see exactly what it did. It doesn't have a transparent background, but it did exactly what I said.
That looks so
That looks
silly.
so silly.
So this was an
So this
error
was
on
an
my
error
part.
on
I
my
don't know how
part.
to
I don't know how to
generate
generate
sprites well.
sprites well.
Let's go ahead
Let's
and
go ahead and
generate
generate
sprite
one final sprite
that's gonna be
that's gonna
really
be
good.
really
Let's
good.
think
Let's think
about.
about.
I'm gonna
I'm gonna
actually
actually
adjust
adjust
my
my
prompt
prompt
in Claude
Claude
before I give
before I
it
give it
back
back
to
to
the
the
LLM.
LLM.
We
We
definitely
definitely
need
need
to
to
specify
specify
transparent
transparent
background,
background,
but
but
that's pretty
that's
good.
pretty good.
I'm actually gonna
I'm
have my
actually gonna
kids
have my
come in and
kids come in
test
and
this
test this
because
because
they're not
they're
great with a
not
mouse
great
and
with a mouse
keyboard
and
yet. My
keyboard yet.
oldest
My
is almost
oldest is almost
6,
6,
and I
and
don't know. We
I
just
don't
don't
know.
give
We
them a
just
lot
don't
of
give them
screen
a lot of
time,
screen
so
time, so she's not very good with
uh, the mouse and
the mouse and
keyboard.
keyboard.
She's
Okay at
typing
typing her name, but it takes her a minute because she's also,
just learning
just learning how to read
and
and
isn't
isn't familiar with the layout of
keyboard.
keyboard.
All right,
All
I
right,
like
I like
that.
that.
All right,
All right, Claude is still working on it. Okay. It did a good job.
It got rid of the
It got rid of the
backgrounds.
backgrounds. I like that. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Now
let's go back.
It
looks like we need to generate our sprites again.
And
we haven't asked
Replit
Replit to do that yet.
Let's
Let's see.
We don't need
We don't need it to be a dead.
We just need
two of them with different, like one leg forward, one leg back.
Let's go.
Let's go,
Claude.
Claude.
Please
help me refine this prompt. Okay, then let's see. I don't need to put them in grid format so that I can pass them on as a single image. I want 3 of the dinosaur. No, I want 2 of the dinosaur for running. Each one has a different leg forward. Let's go with
2 cactus.
2 cactus. Let's go. 3 cactus. Let's see.
Actually,
I want. Let's see. One of the dinos for jumping with its hand up in the air like Mario.
Let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes.
Then 3 cactus.
Then 3 cactus.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Hey,
this is a lot more detailed.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now
let's see how this does. Let's create another one. I'm thinking we should go with Imagine 4 Ultra. Nah, that seems crazy.
Well,
let's give it a shot.
I have high expectations.
I have really high hopes here.
I'd like
to just work well.
I mean,
this doesn't look bad.
This one. There we go. Yeah, if we just had better.
This dinosaur though is really cute. I like it how it is.
So I hope
that it's similar.
Okay.
That went really bad.
Let's try again. Let's go
with Imagine 4. That's what we're actually that's what we were using before.
So
it seems like we're learning the bigger these prompts are, the worse it's performing. Let's try a number of results. Let's go with 3 different ones.
Right now,
let's call it a 4x3. That should be better. Okay. You'd imagine it just has automatic aspect ratio, but hopefully one of these works out really well. Mid stride, left leg forward, right leg back, small forearms tucked in, mouth closed. I think it's just too detailed. Look at that. He's wearing gloves like Mario. Okay. These are the best so far. Let's see what these say. Run frame 1, run frame 2. All of these look the exact same, and then there's a jump frame. Okay. I like this, but the run frame isn't different. The legs are not forward. Let's see. Left leg forward, right leg back. This one says right leg forward. Identical body. Okay. Let's just do this top one now. Let's separate the top and the, let's see, Dino and Cactus into different prompts. I am still getting no variation on which leg is forward for the running. All right. I'm actually gonna ask this maybe to rework to the last commit. I don't know. It's fun. It works how it is. We can get better sprite. This one does need to be. Let's see. Rework to the last commit. I like this so much. But it needs a transparent background. Let's see. All right. Let's try again. Imagine 4 seems to do the best though. So let's use that. Imagine 4 was the best. We're gonna go 16 by 9. We're gonna add that prompt. We're gonna go number of results. We're gonna go 3 again. Let's see how it does. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. All right, let's see this. I mean, it's already got 6. it's not working. So this one, it's just not able to get the legs. I don't know why it's not able to get the legs. Okay, that's not bad. But it has the orientation of the dinosaur completely different. Let's see. Let me just try again. Let's see. Emphasize the leg position change even more. Let's go with AI sprite generator. There's gotta be a really good one. Okay, let's see. Pixel Lab AI generator for okay. So try for free. Yeah, sure. Let me try it. Pat at neolinsolutions.com. Sure. Okay, I'm signed in. Okay, I want to receive information. I don't, but I will agree to your terms of service and your privacy policy. Create a pixel art directly in your browser. Works on any device. Easily generate 4 custom direction. 4 to 8. Okay, this is what we're going for, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, we want monsters, humanoid. I want something kind of in between. Create from reference, maybe. I want a pixel art dino running and a jumping like Mario. Wow, this has really gotten. Let's see, side scroller. Side scroller view is in beta. This is asking me for a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's see. Reference images. Yeah, I'll add a reference. Let's go to screenshots. Actually, I do want to screenshot this. This is probably my favorite dino. So let's do that. The cactus is all really good. So that should be in screenshots. Okay. The image is too large. That's kind of lame. Let's just create from template. No, I do need a reference image. No, this seems too complex, guys. I know I just created an account. Maybe I should dive into that later for my. This is a really cool looking website, though. I bet it's great. All right. We're just gonna rely on this one more time. The entire. Okay. Let's see how this does. All right. Let's create another image. Imagine 4 again. Okay. It's gonna be a 16 by 9. We're gonna try 3 again. Let's see how it does. If it doesn't work out this time, we may just need to call it for the live stream. Let's see, how long has this been going on? I'm not seeing that my OBS Studio is even telling me, so hopefully not too long. Yikes. It's getting so confused. I do love the jumping one. All right. This will be a fun project for later. Maybe I'll hop on the iPad and doodle a little bit. Excellent. Well, I'll get this posted and I will add it to the shortened and condensed video for this live stream. Yeah, but we've got 3 working games. I'll add these to my website. Let me revert to the last commit on this. This is what we did here. Okay. I'll add a link to where you can play this game, and it'll be great.